I will be using Sculpt in Soft Pink, Shape It Up Nail Liquid, Stuck on You, Peach Perfect Elegance Gel Polish, Flawless Foundation, Flawless Finish, my glass Dappen dish, Clean It, my Sculpt brush, my Duo Art brush, towelettes, and my double thick extra long competitive edge nail forms. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. And even if the client doesn't have on polish, I still clean off the nail. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my 100 grit purple Terminator disposable etcher. I'm going to go with the way the nail grows. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of lifting. Push back the cuticle, put little scratches in the nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots. I'm using very light pressure. I'm letting the etcher do the work for me. Go with the way the nail grows. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle using my Tritium stone. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this will cause lifting. So your Tritium stone is extra insurance against lifting. Dust off the nail with your plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply non-lifting nail primer. I dab off my brush so I don't oversaturate the nail bed. Make sure not to get any on the skin. And wipe off your brush before you place it back into your bottle. I'm going to let the primer dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. I will be using my extra long double thick competitive edge custom original nail form. I'm going to split the form. And then place the form with my thumbs going towards the client. Roll the form to get a nice shape in the form. Place this under the free edge. Stick down the sides. Stick together the wings. Secure the form. And I don't want the form going down or going up. I want it to come straight out. I'm going to be pouring a small amount of Shape It Up odor-free nail liquid into my Dappen dish. This is just to keep the brush moist during application, and make sure you never use alcohol. This will cause cracking and breaking. Now I'm going to apply Stuck on You Bonder Gel Base. This makes the sculpt stick to the natural nail. Just brush it onto the natural nail. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Soft Pink Sculpt, and the way that you determine the size of the bead is going to be the size of the free edge. And this is going to be a long free edge, so I will be using a very large bead. I'm going to go out to a 6 here, so my bead is going to be a very large bead. There we go. And I place the rounded edge down towards the cuticle. Moisten my brush. My first thing I do is to make sure my cuticle is perfect. Don't worry about all this. It's not going anywhere. Just make sure that the cuticle is perfect. Get it nice and smooth. Keeping your brush angled. Just go from side to side. I don't want to flatten it out. I want to keep that nice shape in the nail. I'm going to stroke it out, start bringing out my length. Very easy. You don't need a lot of Shape It Up, just a little bit, just to keep the brush moist. Start stroking it out, bringing this all the way out to a 6. Line up the tip. Very easy. Now I'm going to do a quick cure, 10 to 20 seconds in an LED or 30 seconds in a UV, and then squeeze my C-curve. Now I'm going to squeeze my C-curve. This makes the nail nice and narrow and really strong. Start at the nail bed, work your way out towards the tip. Once you've done your C-curve, you're going to cure the nail 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. I clean off the top and the bottom. I'll be filing my nail with my long-lasting 100 grit zebra, but first I'm going to score the edges. I'm going to use my etcher. So when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. I just dispose of my etcher. I'll be filing my nail in 5 steps, and my first step is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Hold the finger securely. My second step is straight out from the nail groove on the right. My third step is shaping the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down and file straight across. My fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Nice long strokes, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. There's a little road where you have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file my product flush with the natural nail. Using a horseshoe pattern down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. That way I don't file my nail flat. I want to keep a nice curve in the nail. My fifth step in filing, I turn the nail around from the client's angle and I look at the way they're going to be looking at the nail for the next 2 weeks. I bevel down towards the tip. I want to make sure the nail looks beautiful from their angle. After I've done my 5 steps in filing, I'm going to dust off the nail and see if I need to do any perfecting. This is a tapered square, so I'm going to hold my file straight up and down and just come straight out with just a little bit of pressure towards the tip, taper it in. Make sure it's nice and even. There we go. Now I'm going to buff my nail using my clean finish buffing file, and this buffer is made out of material so it won't leave any grit on my nail. And it can be used dry, it can be used wet, or it can be used with oil. Nice long strokes, buff the entire nail, go around the cuticle, get it nice and smooth, out towards the tip, take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Foundation. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I'm going to pour a few drops of Clean It into my glass tapping dish so I can clean up my French. I will be using Peach Perfect Gel Against Gel Polish, and when I apply my French, I'm going to apply straight across where I want my smile line first, then I'm going to make my smile corners. Start my smile corner and swoop it. The other side and swoop it. I'm going to clean up my smile. It's so easy. It's so easy to do a French with gel polish. So simple. Just get that smile line just how you like it. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of Peach Perfect. Same way as I applied the first coat. Straight across. Then bring in my corner. Swoop it. Smooth it out. My other corner. Smooth it out. Cap the tip. I'm going to clean up my smile line. It's just so easy to clean. Just come in there, get it just how you like it. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Finish, a non-yellowing high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. Oh, I love this look. So pretty. So soft. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. Now you have your Peach Perfect Gel Against French over soft pink Sculpt. This is such a beautiful look. It's very soft and very fresh. Perfect for spring. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.